Hi folks, Captain Dave Perros for Salty Cape, part of our boat ramp series here at Sesuit Harbor, the Sesuit Harbor boat ramp on the east side of Sesuit Harbor. Sesuit is an area that is a ramp that a lot of folks use, obviously, to access Cape Cod Bay, specifically Billingsgate Shoal, the Brewster Flats, waters up around Wellfleet. A lot of people use it to go shoot right across Cape Cod Bay up to Provincetown and even down the backside. West of here, you've got Barnstable Harbor, so you've got plenty of fishing in this particular area. Lots of striped bass. The waters outside of Sesuit Harbor have some of the best winter flounder fishing on the north side of the Cape, and that's a pretty popular activity. There is a party boat that runs out of here, so folks can go bottom fishing. Boat ramp, as you can see, double boat ramp, good condition, floats on both sides. They do a real nice job here supervising, especially during the high months of the summer, so that you have one lane coming out, one lane going in, and they can assist people who have challenges as far as launching boats or recovering them is concerned. It is a little bit tidal dependent, like everything on the north side of Cape Cod Bay. You're talking a 9 to 11 foot tide. During the moon phases, it can be as much as 13 feet. So if you don't watch yourself on the low phases, you can kind of shoal up at the end of this particular, on the right-hand side here. You've got that little L on the side, and over there it does get pretty shallow at low tide. I know my buddy has gotten his boat stuck there and had to wait the tide out until they could get the boat off of it. So you have to be careful, and that's especially on the inside corner of the L on this side. Facilities-wise, you have gas, which is nice. You have eating facility. You have a little restaurant on the other side, which is real popular from what I understand, called the Sesuit Cafe, I believe is the name of it. And it's very popular, very crowded. But the food is supposed to be real good. As far as parking here, plenty of parking. Nice ramp. Again, they keep it supervised so that everybody is in line and doing what they're supposed to do, which, when things are busy, you really, need to be patient. You need to listen to the attendants. And here at Sesuit, they do a real nice job of keeping everybody supervised and moving in the right direction.